When you open a journal on Cambridge Core, you'll see its published content. I'm navigating to the Acta Neuropsychiatrica journal. Here it is. When you arrive at a journal page, you'll see a variety of content laid out. Every journal page is unique. In this case, they have the majority of their latest articles presented here. You can see their impact factor, as well as a most cited area. Now, for our intents and purposes, let's look at an article. Articles on Cambridge Core are posted with a clean layout designed to help you read efficiently. Use the menu per article to jump between sections. Some articles offer many options, including, in this case, article, figures, supplementary and materials, and metrics. Under article, also notice the possibilities of what you can do. You can save as a PDF. PDFs typically work better with screen readers and annotation tools and are easy to save for later. Notice all the places that you can save it. You can share a link to this article, which, as you can tell from up here, is open access and available by you. You can also cite the article. Click the button and notice all of the ways in which that you can get a citation. MLA, APA, Chicago, take your pick. Copy or download to export to tools like EndNote or Mendeley. You can also notice the rights and permissions location, which should bring you to all of the copyrighted content. And you can also check out the metric performance of this particular article. Let's check out another well-performing article. Now, we're back on the journal page. Let's check out their well-performing articles. I'm going to navigate down here to Most Cited and click View All. Currently, their highest performing article is the Inflammation and Depression one, as you can see by this donut or wheel here. Here is all of the content, how you can read it. We do have access, and it is not open access, and its metrics. You can see the date, as well as the total number of views.